Going live, dual live, and watch your hats. We are now dual lived. Thank you for joining us again. We are amidst a Bitcoin pump, a very bullish looking day, a good start to the week. I actually wanted to point this out earlier, but I forgot. Last Monday, right here, this was last Monday, closed down 2.5%, not a huge percent, but very different start to the week. This candle now up 1.4%, maybe 1.5 at the wick or at the high. Last Monday started down, this Monday started up. Fingers crossed. We see maybe the opposite play out. We see maybe a red candle tomorrow, a little doji, and then a higher high. Moving to that 71.2. That's what I'm praying for. That's what I'm hoping for. We already did the top-down analysis. Bitcoin was doing a little pumpy. I put on the pump song, immediately killed it. Here we go. Here we go. 69,000 broken. Would be a great spot to hold as support. But let's look at some altcoins. I want to know what you guys are looking at. Shill Bitcoin. Bitcoin's all I shill, baby. That's the only thing we've ever shilled here. I've never accepted even a penny to shill you guys a project or a token or a coin. I've turned down millions of dollars in my time. Easily, millions of dollars. Because, I mean, I don't want you guys to get wrecked. That's all I got, guys. That's all I got. If you guys get wrecked, what do? I have no friends. I have no audience. And it's not a good business model. That and moral, ethical things. What's up, military vet? I see you over there. You're on both streams, you Chad. You absolute fire Chad, my friend. Sin's over there, Dave Brum's over there. You can watch both simultaneous crown streams. Streamultaneous. We talked about Bitcoin dominance. My prediction that it's going to hit 60% today. It's edging us. It's edging us hard. 59.86, 0.13% away from 60%, but I don't think that's the top. Probably be cooler if it was, because then cycle would kick off faster probably. But at the moment, just edging with Bitcoin price. In the macro, things looking very good. Potentially putting in another higher low. I'm going to make this like smaller. It's too early to call this. Too early to call this. We'll just say higher low here, maybe? Maybe. Question mark. Uptrend intact. Looking for a break of last week's high. Looking for 71.2. Gonna see what happens there. CME gap opened on the open. Not a lot of change there though. Filled a gap last week, opened with a new gap. Let's take a look. We did peek at well. Let's look at Doge. So Doge, I know people are watching it. People have been watching it. I'm getting a little jealous of it. I'm starting to think it's looking more bully than Litecoin. It makes me sad. I still have a bunch of Doge, don't worry. Still a bunch, but Doge moving to a higher high against BTC here. This has been my objection or my reluctance to say Doge is doing well. It's BTC pair we have seen kind of with the rest of the market just underperforming, losing value versus Bitcoin. We did hit a double bottom in August versus February on this pair, and we have seen it slowly rise, painting higher highs and higher lows. On the last stream, or maybe on Wednesday, talked about this resistance right here. It was tested, now tested again with a higher high this week. I say this week, but I mean in the last 20 something hours, I don't know. Still early for me. 20 something hours, tested with the higher high. This is really where I'm looking. Of course, Doge does have maybe a scarier resistance above it at 270. This was very meaningful throughout the whole bear market. About 262 sats, but a break of 118 here could set it up for a pretty quick move. And why 218 to 260 doesn't sound like a lot, that's a 20% gain against Bitcoin. So assuming Bitcoin does not move, sits here at 69K, that could imply with just that move, Doge USD could gain all the way back. Yeah, all the way back to what, 18 cents. And that's if Bitcoin does move. Bitcoin rockets and that happens. Then you get much higher numbers, maybe retest of your high here. We have been waiting for Doge to break out. It has put on some good gains. October has been a very solid month for Doge, up 31%. That long from just under 10, still looking good. A friendly reminder to all the Dogers out there, right here. So much liquidity, so much resistance. This is all I believe is in the way for Dogecoin and a new all-time high. Of course, you could see like a little retracing here from these monthlies, about 16 cents, maybe some sideways price action if the market remains undecisive. But I think a retest and a full test of 26, 27 cents is in the cards for this year. If it isn't this year, I have almost 100% confidence we'll get it next year. Almost. There's no such thing as 100%. The all-time high at 76 cents. Let's see actually where this brings us. Nowhere that interesting. 42. 42.65, huh? Nowhere that interesting. That's okay. This is kind of it though. I believe if 28 from these 6th bar-coded monthlies right after the all-time high, I believe if that is broken and closed above, Doge moves back to its all-time high very quickly to 76 cents. Breaking 76 cents gives you some very juicy numbers as well, using the same analysis we use on everything. And I think at this point, these arrows and these numbers have been here probably a year and a half, 2 years. Nothing changed there. I can see it move to a $4 coin quickly, pretty quickly into a bull run. I don't really have hopes that it could trade above 10, but hey, crazier things have happened. I think $4, if it comes, is an amazing target to take some profit at. Even if it's going to keep ripping, I think it's going to age very, very well. Let's take a peek here. Onto the day. We did not get the pullback to 12.5 cents. And while that stinks if you were looking for an entry, I said something earlier about Bitcoin and its parabolic bull runs. This also extends to alts as well. When you start actually moving up, when you actually are in the bull run, finger quotes, you'll see this happen a lot. You'll see things like this happen a lot. Maybe we just misidentified the support. So maybe this isn't a great example. Maybe that should have been up here at the end of September's high, because then we had a very clean back test, right? 12.85. I think that's probably what happened. But I might as well finish the rant. You'll see alts do this as well, where they don't make clean pullbacks. Maybe something like this for Doge. You see like 18.3 and you're thinking, okay, it's going to come back to 14. That's an untested resistance. Nope. But instead, you just kind of get these in the middle of nowhere bounces. And it moves higher and higher and higher. And then usually you get one big rip down, clearing out a lot of those stops, those late longs. And Doge may be doing that. Though I will admit, I think maybe that was from the week. I don't want to say I placed it wrong. Okay, I didn't place it wrong. It just, okay, fair enough. Did not backtest the weekly yet. That's still possible. You can still see 18 to 12, but it's coming. Bitcoin in comparison did backtest its weekly there. Brewing, boys. Absolutely brewing. Since it's broken its high right here, let's just throw up our fib. 16.5, something like that. Looking good. What's his moving averages doing? Ooh, that's kind of cool. Doge backtested its 200. Quite a strong place to backtest. Quite a solid place to find support and move higher. You can see the 50 daily moving up quickly towards that 200. My only thing I don't love is the 200 is trending down. It'd be more bullish if it was trending up, but it is looking to cross, to make that same cross Bitcoin completed yesterday. I'd say early November, first week of November, make that bullish cross, confirm it on the day. Not a bad sign. A lot of contrarians out there counter trading. I'm getting wrecked throughout this whole cycle so far. Look at the weekly ones. These are beautiful, man. 100 support hits to 200, higher low, moves higher. It's going to have its very first. I know if I say this, people are going to beat me to tweet it. I'll share it anyway. It's going to have its very first. Oh, not true. Not true, actually, because Doge is so old. It's not its very first. Maybe its very second. Very second. Very second weekly golden cross. Put this in perspective. Look at what happened here. January 2021, Doge was trading at 0.0048 cents weekly golden cross. Elon didn't even jump in until what, here? Close to a penny. He missed the golden cross, bro. Went 7,500% after. That's quite a few percent. So I wouldn't expect that again. But certainly be looking for more upside there. Looking for further upside. What's up, Deepankar Elmar? What's up, world? How you doing over there in the short stream? Bruce, who's a beginner like me? Well, Bruce, you know, actually I should share this. Over the weekend, I did a little housekeeping on the channel. And I realized when we started making educational content, we started making trading lesson videos. We didn't have enough of them, so I just put them all in the same playlist. I realized over this weekend that I should make a playlist that is actually just for beginners. So if you go to the channel and go to playlist, it says trading course for beginners. And what I did is I put kind of the more basic concepts in there, ordered them in a way that I think makes more sense for beginners, people learning. Of course, we have all 23, 24, 25 episodes in the full trading course. More advanced topics in there, but check them out. They're beautiful videos. Literally beautiful. Is F dead? Nah. Nah. Honestly, the more people kind of capitulate on F, the more I'm interested in maybe rebuying some. You guys remember I sold most of mine publicly. When was that? Like March this year? No, it wasn't March. It wasn't like the top. It was at like 3,900. That was pretty damn good. How to start demo trading? Omcar, paper trading, my friend. You'll find that, you'll find paper trading actually offered by a lot of places, a lot of exchanges. Not sure what you're looking to trade, but if you guys are viewing a very thin, tall stream, we do have a vertical, horizontal, full screen stream that you can join us, more resolution. You can see the charts better. Let's go to that channel page, then bookmark that trading playlist, then join us on the main, or watch both, man. Join both. 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝. Those are two hard ones to pick, my friend. You know what? I also realized this recently. Who remembers when we first talked about this? I don't have the watermarks on. Hold up. This is Sol versus Ethereum. Pickle, we have to find out when we first talked about this, because I'm pretty sure we were the first people to talk about this. I'm pretty sure. Now I see it all over Twitter. It's all over Twitter, man. Everyone's like, I don't know, trying to claim this chart. Nobody owns charts, guys, but I'm pretty sure we have a time-stamped live stream where we talked about this in March of this year. Maybe as early as January of this year, back here, as soon as it broke its all-time high versus Sol. I remember one of you guys said, hey man, look at Sol F. And then I was like, this broke its all-time high. So let's do our moon math. Let's take our fib. It's the same stuff we do for everything. Take our fib, connect our high to our low. And after I did that, I was like, man, I don't know in what world, why this would happen. But this chart, after breaking all-time high, is suggesting that Solana is looking to move, I would say, I don't want to say minimum, but looking to move to at least half of Ethereum's market cap. Can't really see it here, but the 1618 extension sits perfectly at 0.5, and it gets weirder because our measured move, or our 2 extension, is exactly at the flippening. Slightly above. Exactly at the flippening. This is wild. Absolutely wild. What I think really will happen, I don't think Solana will actually flip Sol. Or, I don't think Solana will actually flip F. It might. But what I think is likely here is a move to 0.5, meaning half of its market cap. And maybe that's the blow off top, right? Maybe we get here, everyone buys in, they're like, oh my god, the flippening. Just like the OGs in the chat, remember, ain't the first time we've heard the word flippening, and that has never really gone well. Certainly it is possible, though. It is possible. If it does happen, I imagine it would look something like this, though. People think flippening means, like, okay, it flippens, and now forever it's bigger than Ethereum or something, right? I don't think that's very likely. And it's not in defense of Ethereum. It's just, in these circumstances, this is just what tends to happen. We really don't tend to see things move up like this and then stay there. I could see like a blow off top on the flippening, peak FOMO on Sol, and then it settles back down, or just to 0.5. But I think we really were, if not the first, certainly one of the first. Very, very close. Looking at Solana versus Bitcoin, still trapped underneath that descending high trend. We didn't fully get the back test, but we got damn close, it looks like. Solana versus Bitcoin. Man, that is snug under that trend. I was looking for a full move to resistance, 0027, topped out 00262. Forgive me. Is this a double top on closes here? I wouldn't really worry about that. It looks like a double top on closes on dailies, 002, let's call it 26. At this point, I don't think I'm looking for this pullback, though. We'll find out when Papa Corn lets us know. I think today. I think we see the move today. I think dominance rips to 60% or higher today. I guess we'll find out when Papa Corn lets us know. But this is still looking pretty good from the analysis side. This is still a higher low. Really anything underneath Friday's low is going to hold that and likely point to higher valuation on Sol versus Ethereum. This chart is actually it's looking good. It just needs to be a higher high, bro. We need to keep it in. You have a low, a higher low, a high, a higher low. We need that higher high to cement a retest of this year's high against Bitcoin. In perspective, Solana's still quite a ways away. I know it doesn't look like it. Still quite a ways away from its highest valuation versus BTC. That day was September of 2021. Where Sol traded to 0046. From current price, is that, yeah, it's almost, from current price, that is 83%. You could view this through the lens of, that means it has potentially 83% more upside against Bitcoin just to retest all-time high. You could view that positively, or you could view that bearishly and say, well, it's still, what percent? It's not 83% down. 46% down from its all-time high. This depends how you kind of view. Are you positive? Are you negative? What other factors you might consider? I probably am not considering them. Depends. But I think this is looking good. You could argue that this is a bull flag, and I don't think anyone could disagree with you. Consolidating, volatility compressed. It's looking to make a big move. I think one of the reasons I'm not all gung-ho about saying, woo, new all-time highs is we have seen very few altcoins put in a cycle high with the cycle and then go on to break that. It just isn't that common. Almost every other coin, we're going to look at ETH because I know you guys are asking about it. We'll look at ETH as well. Almost every other coin has put in cycle highs and then never gone back to them. Speaking of one, Ethereum, because we were just talking about ETH Sol, Ethereum is absolutely getting destroyed. Absolutely, man. Yikes. Fell out of this very neat descending channel, back tested it, continuing to fall into the end of this month. I see support on this pair down here, 0.262031. We're not there yet. That's another 10+%. 10+. Kind of the same thing. Maybe this is a good warning for the Sol BTC pair. So Ethereum cycle high, June 2017, 2021 lower high. In fact, yikes, you might even be able to say before the merge, ETH BTC looked a lot like Sol BTC, right? You had your low, you came up, you were pretty close to your high. What percent? Wow, that's spooky. Almost the exact same percent. It's almost the exact same percent down from the high. And here it looked like a bull flag. Didn't pan out. I would argue, though, that's something to do with the merge. I think the merge was sabotage. I told you guys that as soon as it happened. So this feels like sabotage. No bids on ETH BTC insights yet, but they're coming. I probably will buy some. I'll share with you guys. I definitely will buy some Ethereum if it hits 0.26. I'm not going to rebuy all of it, but I'll definitely buy some of it. I sold a bunch of it up here. Sold a bunch all the way up here. Here you go. By the way, people saying flipping kind of, this is the example I had. Ethereum arguably did or didn't flip Bitcoin for all of a few seconds in June of 2017. Right up here. This is rough, but It like wicked. This is kind of how I see it if Sol Eth moves to its measure, if it moves to the flip. Kind of view it probably like this, only because it's the only lens I have. ETHUSD just seems rough. I don't think it's dead. Dead is such a jinxed word in this space. Anytime someone said something was dead, it ends up rallying. It ends up like pumping. But is it over? Is the pain over for Ethereum? Nah, I don't think so. Not against Bitcoin, at least. Sol BTC was beautiful on Thursday. Sold off. Let's go. We got to fill. We got to fill, boys. Oof, these are getting harder and harder to find. We got to fill 162. That came in Saturday, the day after our last stream. No higher high yet, but retesting those highs. Sol USD, I think, still looks good for 200. I've been saying it forever. Again, sick of saying it. Just hit 200 already, buddy. Beautiful back test of that resistance. Broke back test on the week. Let's go. Let's go. Send it to 200. Is Bitcoin spicing? Bitcoin spicing again. I will not put on the pump song now. Last time I put on the pump song, this happened. Now slightly higher than the previous pump song. Play. No jinxing it. Nobody say anything. Nobody even breathe. Nobody even look at it weird. In fact, let's not even look at it. I missed a super chat. My bad. Juan IL. I'm so sorry, man. There you are. There you are. You're still here. I missed your super chat. I have no idea how much this super chat is. In my defense, it did not show up on my notifications for some reason. I don't know why this happens. But let me read it out. That's weird. It's also not on YouTube. Did this happen? Is this real life? Look. It's not even here on viewer activity. That's so strange, man. That's so strange. Is it still pinned to the top of the chat? 500 ARS. Hey, you're the best live on crypto, man. Thank you, Juan. Can we take a look at SUI? Yes, we can. It's dumping. What's your opinion? Well, SUI did just hit all-time highs. Pretty recently. Pretty recently. Kind of head of the gang there. How dumping is it dumping? Oof. Let's look at the BTC pair first. It rejected pretty close to where we were thinking. Yikes. Boop. Boop. Back here. SUI BTC does look like maybe it has a little bit more pain ahead. Especially if dominance follows our hunch and goes higher than 60, maybe in towards 70. What do we look like? Higher high close. You don't have bearish div week. That's good. Your 1618 retrace down here. This probably would be decent entry if it makes its way down. Here's kind of how I view this. You've tested resistance here. Twice, technically, not 3 times. Which was previous support. You've tested resistance. It's rejected from pretty much where we thought it would. Or I had a hunch it would. But this isn't bad as long as you can hold a higher low. Maybe that higher low is 40157. You start painting inverse head and shoulders. You're looking for a breakout. You're looking for a measured move. Looking for some real gains against Bitcoin. But that's kind of a knife at the moment. So let's look at the USD pair and maybe we can line up some support. We can line up some potential. Dang, that's an ugly candle. You're right. That is an ugly candle, man. Well, it's looking good. Always beware of the stuff that randomly hits all-time highs before like the market's moved. This isn't the end of the world, but look at this October candle. We have 3 days to go. This could change in 3 days. It's possible. But in this month, it moved to an all-time high significantly. It moved 20% above its all-time high. And now before the close, it's down. What are you down now? The candle overall 6.7%, down 20, 30% off of that wick. That's some serious profit taken. That's some serious profit taken. Bear div on the week. So you didn't have bear div on the week for Bitcoin pair, but you do for the dollar pair. I think it's time to get the fib out. I do like this about this chart. The fibs line up so well with these supports. So lots of confluence in that sense, but we have been looking or cautioning people as this rallied. You don't want to buy the top of a green candle. You're betting on it just continuing forever then. Typically, we want to look for these major untested previous resistances as support and as entries. For SUI, that can give us, let's get into the day. I know we already have these. Almost to the entry, nice. This is a little scalpy that I said, I don't like it, that's okay. Got wrecked. Almost to our entry, 156. Touched 159, damn, so close. That is not the strongest support though. I feel better at 156 than any of this. I know I said that on the way up. $1 would be beautiful. I'm not making the claim that it's going there, but this would be so beautiful, man. You did something like this. $1 would be so nice. I might even buy some at $1. Probably not, maybe. You do have 125 in between. These are all solid places. I think it might be a little early to be looking to jump back into it. It might be a little early. $1. You know what? All right, I'll buy a tiny amount of this if it ever hits. If it hits, when it hits, whenever. $1. I think you're in knife territory though. Like you could bounce here. If you lose it, I think you look at 125, you look at 1. There are different ways to play it, but it is concerning. And I said this on the way up. This is pretty inefficient. You didn't pull back. You didn't shake out longs. You didn't trap shorts. You just moved up. You just liquidated shorts. Baited in longs up here. So now you have that upside pressure. People closing losing positions or taking profit on winning positions from the inefficiency. You just may not find the strongest support until you get back down to some of the more efficiently traded areas of this chart. There you go, SUI, brother. You are uptrending though, no matter how you cut it. It's like higher low, higher high. You have a high, a low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. You just got kind of a knife. Big risk to reward there. Appreciate your super chat, my friend. Thank you for the kind words, Swan. You the man. You the man. BTC trying for that higher high. Allison, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Higher high on the hour, higher high during this stream. Higher high, we like it. Two shot, I see you. You're saying Saga. I see you, bro. We've looked at Saga a lot lately. I don't think I got an alert on it. If I got an alert, maybe I'll pop it open again. I did not. Let's look at some stuff we got alerts for. JPY, I had some thoughts on that, but I'm not even going to share it. JPY continues to sell off. Well, we looked at AMP. AMP trade going well. People doubted that short, man. Boom. Short hit, long filled. Keep your fingers crossed. AMP has support roughly where it is now. 0.003 cents. Resistance 0.005. I still think it is slowly grinding its way up to 0.085. 0.085. What else do we get alerts for? And again, actually I did get an alert for MATIC, Polygon. I know you guys want to look at it. You always ask me about it. You always want to see it. While I go over more of these alts, guys, could you please tap the screen? Make sure you hit the like, subscribe. When you subscribe or live, this number rolls over in real time and I'll shout you out. That's right. It's a good deal. Cost you nothing. Which coin is this? We were just looking at SUI and XTGen. Hello, what is the stock? We're now looking at MATIC. What about SEI or DOT? Paul Rock. We could probably look at him. Oh God, threshold moment. I swear. I hope. Oh, you're still here. Nice. Really quick, guys. Someone on the short stream. Hello, I'm here because you've messaged me on social media. Threshold moment. I will never message you on social media first, ever. On any platform. It doesn't matter if the account has my picture. Doesn't matter if the account has my name. Doesn't matter if the account has my links in it. It doesn't matter if it is my account. If my account, my real accounts on social media, which you can verify here, ever messages you first, I might be hacked, right? Never gonna do it. If I do, it's a red flag. Hopefully you haven't sent them any money threshold. There are so many people who use my, say, reputation, my likeness, my name to scam people. We had somebody in the Discord today about it. There's nothing I can do. Please keep reporting them. We ban them from Discord. We hide them. We do everything we can, but I just can't stop them. We need awareness on that level. I really hope you didn't send them any money. I will never, ever ask you to send me money under any circumstance. Let's look at MATIC. MATIC is on the struggle bus. I think MATIC is going to break its low. I think MATIC trades below its bear market bottom. And that's kind of an unsettling thought. Can anybody else name a chart? Can anybody name an alt that's traded below its bear market recently? One that, especially one of such market cap. Can you rate your pick 1 to 10? Are you cooked? Douglas looks like a mutant. Nah, bro, you're a 10. You're a 10. Scammers are in every single Discord. Imposter, dude, I know it's wild. It's wild. You got to be aware. I try to do everything I can, but what am I going to do? Spend every stream the whole time just telling people to be aware of it, right? Like, I can only do so much. I wish I could do more. It hurts my heart. Hurts my heart every time someone loses money to them. Because they're probably not going to be viewers anymore. Even though maybe they find out it's not me. Hopefully they find out it's not actually me. Some of them might not, though. And even if they do, they might not be enough. They still just might be soured. All I do is try to keep you guys safe. Let's look at MATIC. Adam, you're a 10. That's right, Tito Gaines, you're a 10. 50th silver, what? It's not just me, guys. I'm gonna move on. It's not just me. No one on YouTube is going to be messaging you on Discord or on Twitter and being like, hey man, how are your trades going? Send me some money. Like, no one's gonna do that. And if they are, they're a piece of shit scammer anyway. And you're gonna be dealing with them. All right, moving on. I think MATIC is going to continue, or technically it already has broken that low. Have we named another chart? 𝐅𝐵? Is 𝐅𝐵 one? CMC has 2 MATICs in the top 10, probably because of the ticker thing. That's why I don't like when coins mess with their tickers, man. It just seems like shenanigans. That's probably why. Probably one's Sol, or one's Poly and one's MATIC. I don't know, because the tokens split or whatever. They seem to be the same price, at least for now. MATIC has broken its bear market low. Did anybody name ones that also have? Because I'm not able to off the top of my head. 𝐂𝐨𝐮𝐫𝐿, Polkadot, meme, have they? I don't know. Say this one has broken. That way I know you're not just spamming a ticker. 6 months of red. I think the best news for MATIC is that we only have 3 more days in this month. It has dropped 20% this month despite the rest of the market moving up. This is pretty savage. Pretty savage. The kind of worst part, this is something you need to really take a deep breath first if you're in MATIC. Take a deep breath here. And understand that maybe it's I don't know, it's not guaranteed. MATIC just doesn't have anything underneath here. 0.45 cents. 4.5 cents. That's what I was thinking. Is the next point that was like really traded at all. It had a beautiful breakout there. It moved from a low of 0.006 all the way up to $3. This is it. We can use our fib tool and we can say, all right, we have extensions here, 27, 18, maybe 11, right? But these are really knives. There is no actual support here at all. It's broken. Now, October could close up in the next 3 days. MATIC could put on and maybe move back to its monthly open. Things could look better. That could just be a liquidity sweep. There is a high risk, high reward potential here for a long. Maybe a play like this. In no way would I take this trade. In no way. I don't want to catch this knife. Maybe you do something like this, right? So 56, you can get a good risk to reward, 80% upside, 15% downside. But man, you gotta really love getting bloody if you want to take that trade. We were watching this play out over the last months. It finally broke that flat bottom as we thought it would. Yesterday, it back tested that flat bottom and rejected. It hasn't broken the low, but if it does, man, sells are going to flood in. You break that low, they're going to flood in. I don't know if 27 is going to really be a significant like bounce area. You gotta, I don't know. Sucks. I have some MATIC. I don't remember. Oh, actually, I got it really early, but still, it's not a huge bag. I've lost all the unrealized gains there. But man, I don't know what's up with this. It doesn't seem to be moving with the rest of the market. Mohammed Arfa, I see you typing AVAX over and over and over again. Popo is the next one. 100x says lovely Shiro. Do you promise? What is this? It was it's MATIC show on. Crypto and Ruble racing to zero. Funny Fox, you are funny. You're very funny. This is the most extreme race to zero I've ever seen. All the way up to 69,000. It's going the wrong way though for zero. Dominance chilling out here. MicroStrategy still moving up during the live. Looked at Doge. FTM I wanted to look at quick. Did hold its low. Looks like we got a little double bottom from October's low. I don't really like that though. Can see an order block here. Double bottom back to that order block. Close the candle above 68.5. Things will look better back to 80. You can see you even have a double top here, double bottom there. I still think you can get a 56-cent entry on FTM. Watermark isn't there for some reason. I still think you can get it. I like that you've tested resistance so cleanly. Your measured move so cleanly. Finally did it. If you can break through 80 cents looking for $1, that may bring you to a retest of this year's high. All-time high still all the way up at $3.36. Look at that. Look at that. Not a lot of volatility there. Certainly some range trading could be successful there on FTM. After playing out this beautiful inverse head and shoulders basically at our August low, I still think betting to the upside is the win here. You just don't want to chase it up. You want to get a macro support. You want to entrench yourself in a strong position, and that's going to give you the confidence and the positioning to hold it to the levels you want to. Update Radium quick. Why is there nothing on this chart? It's very old. Radium closed a higher weekly high. That's looking pretty good. Looking very good. You have some untested support below you. Man, but this thing's ripping. Let me find the chart we actually used on it. Then I'm gonna take some more requests. Hold up. ADA please. Why did I just type in Radium? I meant this. There we go. Swerved our entry. That's all right. Previous resistance at 270. We were looking lower. This was before the breakout. We were looking at like 175. That still may very easily be in play. I think this might reshape the perspective on this chart. It is interesting. I will give it to it. It is interesting that Solana's looking good and these coins on Solana are looking good, like Radium. It's interesting to me. I don't know how I want to cut this. Maybe I was like a little too early. I thought maybe this would look good. This would fit well. It does not. Still maybe a shot there. That would still be a higher low after a higher high. But at this point, with the close on the week, there may be a scalp of some kind. Like this. We've all been here before. Keep smashing those likes. Keep subscribing, fam. Don't Don't let the energy die. Let me move this over. Maybe a scalp from that 270 previous weekly resistance, especially if we see a sell-off this week. You might be able to nab some at a little bit of a discount. That'd be 25% discount from last week's high, and look to ride that. $6, of course, in play, maybe, as we love to do. Maybe cutting it at 5 is the safer bet. You can still get a really solid risk reward, still like an 80% upside, still some goodies. You do have some bear div to deal with on the week. Not as much on the day, but on the week, rather visible. Actually, I feel pretty good at this. I feel pretty good on this one. I'm going to share this one in the private, exclusive Discord group that you can get access to just by signing up with any of the partners in the video description below. Here we go. Ray. There it is. Ooh. Pickle's looking up when we first talked about Sol Eth. Nice. Nice. Good job, brother. Back to the corner. Hanging out here. Hanging out. Hanging out. Doesn't look as in play anymore. I like it. I still think we have higher to go today. All right, so what are we looking at? I remember a few of the tickers off the top of my head. We'll pull them up here. Just kind of browse through, see what speaks to us. AVAX. I think I want my chart here for AVAX. We've all been here before. So true, song. So true. Keep tapping that screen, guys. How many likes are we up to? How many more can we get? How many more subscribers can we get? If you're out there and you have subscribed, we are live here Monday, Wednesday, Friday, every week. 5 years strong, going on 6. Giving you the alpha. Not shilling anything. Not asking you for money. Just giving you all the value I can give you. AVAX. AVAX still holding the trade entry. 32.88 untested still. My chat's froze. Hold up. Where do you get the glasses, Michael? It's a good question. It's hard to find these now. Master and Dodge. Eth, you're welcome. Joseph, we already looked at both of those. Omar is subscribed. He wants to look at Kusama. 𝐅𝐫𝐚𝐿. We can look at 𝐅𝐵. Sometime next year after the super altcoin, you believe in the 4 years. What? Even AVAX just reached all-time high in March. AVAX did not just reach all-time high in March, my friend. Not even close. Are you like in the past 3 years? It's like you're really laggy. You sent that 3 years ago during a live. AVAX nowhere near all-time high. It did hit 65 in March. All-time high 150. This low here isn't bad. I'm still pretty confident in that trade. I'm confident in that trade still. I want to see AVAX close a month or even a week above 32.80, and then I'd be looking for that 50-60 range. Until then, he's kind of just trading sideways. You may get another swing though at that entry, 23.72. Goal 10 milli. Started with 1 milli. You could do the same with 1 and 10. If AVAX reaches the local all-time high. Well, okay, I got you. Yeah, I think you're right. Thoughts on DGen? I don't know if I've ever looked at it. What's up, 𝐂𝐨𝐮𝐫𝐬𝐞? I don't know how to say your name. ID option selling in Ethereum. Good for you, man. You've been very profitable then since March. Well played. Bonk render. Okay. I know off the top of my head, Bonk still in the short. Wait, no, I was thinking of the other one. Right? Am I thinking of... I thought it was Bonk. No. Well, I correct myself. Haven't looked at Bonk in a bit. Failed a higher high in here in this month. However, the low has held at least in October. Not loving that price action here. Still could be solid entry, 17s to 18s. Nice retracement level there. Though I think this could be viewed as resistance broken and now a flag above resistance. Might be looking for an upside move. Let me see. Not looking that hot on the day. Rejected the 200. Yeah, dude, it like has to bounce here. If it doesn't bounce here, yeah, moving down to those entries. Like have to bounce here, bro. Do like that. Maybe. Maybe. Why does this look so bad? I thought this looked better. Maybe it was Floki I'm thinking of that trade on. If Bonk doesn't close above 21, currently at 20.38, over the next 6 days, it's going to look pretty bad. It already kind of looks pretty bad. What's going on with this? Do they rug it? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. The bigger picture of Bonk, though, not so bad. 1618 sniped out the top with decent precision again. Measured move, untouched. Bonk has a lot of resistance above it, man. You tested your high close, you wicked off of it. You closed lower, you wicked off it. You traded higher, you closed lower. I'm not loving it. I'm not loving the chart. Are you guys seeing something I don't see, maybe? That scalp might work out. That trade worked out. Tell you what, Bobby. That trade really worked out. I don't even remember the last time I looked at this. Let's I'll put this in the private trading group. Is it private? Not like this one. There we go. Still a decent enough trade. What's up next? Bonk is so last year. Yeah, dude. Near. I think someone else said near. I wonder if it's a big gainer or loser today. I wonder if that's why. Yeesh. I'll start with BTC because that's looking bad. Oh, wow. I think near has some more downside on the BTC pair. It was looking really good there into May of this year. Lost all its momentum. Didn't even make the extension. Yikes. Zeros 547. You got some support. Man, that is problematic. Hopefully near can close a little higher against Bitcoin in the next 3 days, 6 hours. If not, I think logically you look down to that November low. All the way down here. That's kind of savage. Maybe like a 50% loss against Bitcoin. That's looking a lot. It's looking a lot like a Head and Shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Ew. Hopefully the dollar pair's a little better. I'm sure it is. Can't get much worse than what we just saw. I like this. I like this. $4. Do we have a trade there? No, that would have been a good trade. $4 already hit this month. Could be an entry here. Got stopped out on this one. I'm starting to like these last second monthly bets. Say $4 unfilled so far. 375 might be the play though. $5, 4 to 5, 20% gain. Play that however you please there. Week looks strong in the shorter term. This is... Maybe I'm just getting brain fatigue from too many charts now. When all the charts start looking the same, maybe it's brain fatigue. wonky. Lower highs, lower lows, lower high, higher low, higher high. Hold 340. I would say if near trades below 340, I would close any long position, personally. Bounces between 3 to 5 for a while, probably. It looks like it has a little gas underneath it, but it's just not playing out. It's kind of weird. BSV is apparently the biggest gainer today. Nobody cares. Virtually no one cares about that. But let's take a look up. It's only 8%. Still within its highs of this range. Oh, Craig Wright. We're all Satoshi, except for Craig Wright, who legally cannot claim to be Satoshi. Yeah, I'm not super ecstatic about it. 50 bucks has been your resistance. Still just lower highs, higher lows. You break 50, you look for 60. It's all right. It's all right. That's boring though. Rune. Who wants to look at Rune? Who wants to look at Rune or SPX or AAVE? I'm just looking at the ones who are up today. Actually, let's also look at the ones that are down today. A time will come where you'll be sorting by biggest down move, and you'll be looking to maybe enter. The time's coming. TIA is the biggest loser in the top 100, followed by SUI. Let's look at TIA. Be my solid ground. Ooh, 448 untouched. If it touches 448 in the next 3 days, there might be an entry there. Resistance at 550 above you. Not a lot on the monthly chart. A lot of inefficiencies here. Pretty easy breakdown of this chart viewed this way. 950 to 1050 is pretty much your only upside resistance after you break out of this range. Something's in my eye. That's pretty gross too, though. You've already tested 448 twice on the week. This is a knife. This is a knife, but I'm starting to feel these October kind of down, run into the end of October kind of thing targets. I don't hate that. That's not a very good trade though. After you've closed below the end of September, early October's lows on the week is just kind of a crapshoot. I'm not even going to dedicate more time to it. Let me see which ones you guys said. TIA, too much coin unlock. That's what happens with centralized coins, my friend. TIA unlock hasn't even happened. It's on the 30th. Speculators shorts dumping it. What's interesting, JD, that I've noticed, and maybe it was just like a not full bull thing. I've noticed a lot of coins pumping on the unlocks, which mathematically makes no sense. I don't know. That'd be interesting timing. Check Nifty 50. Nifty 50. I don't know. Our viewership for the Indian stock market is not quite high enough. Apparently this week is historically the most bullish post-half 44th week. Interesting. Look at Bitcoin dominance. Okay. Oh. You got me excited there, Mike Bennett. You got me excited, buddy. It's not quite it. We already opened the stream saying we think it hit 60 today while we're live. Jupiter. Jupiter's at $1 or something. OM. Mantra. Is that Mantra? Okay. I thought that was Mantra. Weirdly, that didn't show up when I typed in OM. Mantra BTC. Like a few coins, not many. Marching its way back to its all-time high. Does it have what it takes? You're past your deep retracement. That's not bad. Order block close. Really, really cutting it close there at the end of October. What's the dollar pair doing? Oh yeah, I remember now. This broke all-time high. Nice. Hmm. Yes, yes. I like this. I like this chart. You got bull div on that low. 50. 116. $2.5 to 1, not our best trade. Not the best trade we've ever placed here. That's okay. Ion trade. Yeah, not bad. Break what? The 15th high, that 1618 looking good. I think 196 or $2 is the target. Using the big old fib in the moon math, we do get some crazy numbers and we can indulge those here. They are on the table. It's interesting to me. $10 is the 1618. Almost exactly. It's like $10 in cents, 6 cents, 7 cents. $45 is the measure move. I don't know what the market cap is of this, but put that into perspective. If we're at $1 now, to 10 is like almost a 10x. The smaller the market cap is, the more probable I think these really high numbers become. None of them are guaranteed, but those would be great upside targets to look to take profit if you believe in whatever it is Mantra's doing. Whatever that might be. Let's do, this would be like a spot position. There it is. A spot position like this. Put a new alert. New alert placed. Meta Signals, bro. That's right. Shout out to Meta Signals and 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝, our sponsors. Links in the video description below. You can get risk-free trials using my link. Bitcoin miners having a good day. Good morning, Bitcoin entry. I think if you're looking for a scalp, 68 flat. That could be. I don't know. I think this breaks up. I'm just waiting for dominance to give me the signal. Slowly but surely. You know what's going to happen though, right? You guys know already what's going to happen. Both this 60% target and the higher high breakout to 71, you know when it happens. It's going to happen precisely 5 to 30 minutes. No, 1 to 30 minutes after the live stream ends. It'll be like clockwork. Damn, still looking good even with this hourly candle. Can I check grinder? Yeah. Gemini. No one's ever wanted to look it up on Gemini TradingView. What did they change the... Did they change the ticker? Is that why I'm having trouble here? Yeah. I think. What's happening? Bitcoin dominance going to 70%? Well, I might have talked about that at the beginning of the episode. Might have. Dude, why am I having so much trouble with this chart? Let's pull up an older chart where I'm sure the trades got wrecked. Actually, I guess not. I guess not. Still, long still open, still underwater. Do not like that though. Higher high. It's like low, lower high, higher low, higher high, lower low. You broke in your uptrend. That's not good. That's not great. You are in a pretty strong support zone. I think maybe longs could be made here. It's like 430, 450. What is going on with this guy? Pretty strong signal here on the day though. Momentum to the downside. Provided this maybe doesn't close lower than it's trading right now. Pretty strong signal there. RSI is low. Green dot. VWAP at 0. Momentum coming up. You can dance if you'd like. I can't believe this playlist is still playing. You know, I am not the most bullish on this. If you can get an entry in like 450, I think maybe it's good. I'd like to see render close above $5 this month in 3 days. That'd be a start. But that lower low is weird. It's like not really common. It's not really common to have broken September's low. This seems to be getting some extra sell pressure from somewhere. I'm not saying it's coming, but 250, I would be a buyer. I'd be a buyer at 250. I'd take that. Jupe like looks good. It closed higher. It made a higher high, but I had this pulled up and I closed it earlier because there's just not that much going on with it yet. You did close above $1. Beautiful on the week. That's what we wanted. You've traded higher. You haven't moved. Have you moved under $1? Yeah, 98. That's a solid higher low. If you hold, you can move up. Daily actually looks pretty good. Unfortunately, our 66 cents did not fill. Right back to this high. Okay. Yeah, Jupe. I'm just waiting. I don't have any new thoughts on it. It looks good. That weekly close cements some nice upside. Back tested the week just like the corn did right here. I'm just kind of waiting. 69k resistance is for real. Yeah, dude. Dominance. Let's go. Let's go dominance. 60k while we're live or immediately after, whichever. It's coming. I called it today. There's a ballsy prediction. Bitcoin dominance at 59.86, which is the same number that it was. Pretty sure that's what it was earlier when I was talking. Maybe I'll go back and look. That's why I said don't follow this on low time frames. It will like readjust or repaint. It's not to be trusted in that way. Tweeted this today. Bitcoin dominance hit 60 today. That was 6 hours ago. What do you think? Yay or nay? ADA, yeah, I'll pull up ADA. You're right. ADA, maybe looking better than some. I did not realize that's on Bittrex. So. Yikes. ADA BTC is like maybe the one that looks worse than Ethereum, to be honest. Yikes, man. All-time low, 266 sats. You want to know a fun story? I first bought ADA at 393 sats. It was like the second month of trading. Interesting. Had I round tripped that, I'd be about break even. I'd be up like 30%. 400. Yikes, dude. It got brutalized in this month. Absolutely brutalized. Let's go to the dollar pair. One, two tests. Maybe that's a higher low. Man, that's rough. 88 can make it back to 40 cents again. The same number I've been yelling about for an eternity, maybe. Make it back there again. Maybe you got this going on then. You know, like, this is getting kind of sketchy though. If 88 loses its August low, probably looking at a quarter. Probably looking at a quarter. I think you see 40 cents again. $32. What can we get? 1.5, that's terrible. Here we go. Maybe. All right, fam. It is 3 o'clock and Bitcoin wants to run. Let's check back in on it. Bitcoin dominance up 0.1% here. Let's go. Let's go. Dude, it's coming. I guess we're just going to keep streaming, boys. We're just going to keep streaming. Usually I cut it at 2, but like, bro, Bitcoin's about to break out. Bitcoin dominance is breaking out. I think we can see 60% dominance and a new monthly high in this stream. It's got to hold out. It's got to hold out a little bit longer. Plausible. Possible. Plausible. What's up with the glasses? It seems like another screen for your algebra. Am I doing algebra? Screen? I don't even know what you're talking about. Honestly, Churnet, but thanks for the comments, I suppose. ACX, please. Crypto independent. Can I check super chats, please? Yeah. Hold up. Dude, it just doesn't alert me anymore. Like ever. Ever. Ooh, we lost some views on the mainstream. We were up at 900, now down under 500 as Bitcoin starts to spice up. They're selling the bottom. They're selling the bottom of the stream. Viewer activity. Here we go. Yeah, I missed a few. Got Juan's. I'm sorry, Wick. This was 30 minutes ago. An enthusiastic DGB phase at the bottom. Dude, hopefully you're not screwed because I got my DGB also, my friend. Justin. PP. Unchained. Can you check their website and give your opinion on it? No. Sorry, bro. I appreciate the super chat, but nah, I'm not going to check out their website or something. I don't know what it is. I can look at a chart. But nah, man. You wouldn't even want me to do that. I don't know what to look for. The 24-hour trading volume is $500. Oh, maybe that's not the right one. That's Pepurii. Pepurii. What? Why is this not trade anywhere? This is weird, dude. Liquidity 42 million, market cap 88 million. What? Nah, dude. Something weird's up. That's something weird. There's just something weird there. I don't know what it is, but that's just weird. Please practice safe risk management. Walgreens. It's crazy. Sorry, like, it's just what we do here, man. Like, I don't even know what to tell you. CoinGecko doesn't acknowledge it. Why does it have like so much liquidity locked? More liquidity locked than the market cap? I don't know. I'm also not an expert at kind of DEX pairs like that. I just feel there's something weird going on. Seems shady. Here we go. 17 seconds for this hour to close. Closing above the previous hour's wick high. Aiming for a new October high. Dominance continues to like reset maybe. I don't know. Because it's been at 59.884 like the whole stream. But then it keeps saying it wasn't. I don't know. This chart's very weird. That's why I said not to look at it like this on low time frames. There we are. There we are. Let's go like 4 hour. 5986.14. I know that's what I was saying earlier. 0.14 away. Bitcoin moving up into the new hour. Knew I was about to end the stream, but I pulled a bamboozle on it. And I didn't end the stream. What are you going to do now, whales? Checkmate. Ball's in your court. In doubt? If you're in doubt, buy Bitcoin. Yep, I agree. ACX. All right. While we wait for that corn to grow. Where is this? There it is. ACX. Never heard of this. Okay, we got some history. Not a lot of history. This coin started like at the exact bottom of the bear market. It's an interesting setup for it. I see people subscribing. What's good? 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝. Stephen Jones, what's up, man? Salvatore Marusco. Doug. Ronaldo. What's up, friends? Bitcoin will go up. Go long. I'm already long, my friend. Already long. Already there. Let's see. I'm going to sit here and stare at my P&L. Ooh, 30% up. Oh. Good golly. Good golly. It's $11,000 long. Up $300. But I have a feeling it's about to be up more. About to be up a little more, I think. I think we're getting a new October high right into the end. Looking at ACX, something I've never charted. Looks like 40 cents as resistance has been tested multiple times. No real div here. Lows come down, price go down. That's good. That's normal. Alts get wrecked, JC, don't they always? This thing seems to be doing something today, up about 6-7%. $0.40. 40 cents a good target. Beautiful measured move at $1. I would definitely take some profit on this if it hit $1. 75 cents also solid. Probably look to shave at both. Interesting. It's like 50 cents, 75 cents, $1. Doesn't happen as much as you'd expect. Market structure is intact still. Daily just rolling over here. Actually, that's pretty spice. That's pretty spice. Entry, I don't know, man. Like, I guess that's the issue. You're at the top of a green candle. If you're in a position, I would look maybe a shave at 40, 50, 75 $1. Take a little trim. You're looking for entry. I guess you just got to kind of see what happens today. If this chart sells back off below 33 cents, it's probably rejected, probably going back to the bottom of this local move. Something like that. There you are. This might have some more upside. Might have some more upside. I'll put an alert. 69.4. Oh, there it is. I told you. We bamboozled the whales. We did it. I told you. Checkmate. Ball's in your court. Higher high, baby. What's dominance doing? Where are we at? Exactly where we were. Do you see that, though? Wait. Okay, maybe I'm not crazy. Maybe I'm not crazy. Dominance chilling. Heading for 60% today as predicted. We'll find out. Higher high here on the corn as predicted. I told you. I said I was going to end the stream, but I'm going to wait it out because I think it's coming. Shh. It's not. Okay. It is a higher high for the day. Not a higher high for the range. 69.5. Getting close. I think that I don't think that's the end. I think we go to 71.2, 71.3. Get rid of that now. There we are. 69.4. Oh, let's go. 69.420 on the books. Get hype, everybody. It could finally be time, as the video says, as the thumbnail says. The long now up 350. 350. Let's go. Let's gear. I'm still sad I don't have the 25K long open. Still sad. From down here. Oh, better. 66.440. We have passed 69.420. Yeah, I got to tweet about it. Hold up. Gotta tweet about that. That's just too tweetable. You know what? No time to tweet. We're looking at 69.5. We're looking at our range high here on the day, as we were looking for, as is coming right after we would have ended the stream, as I'm losing my voice. It's here. $60 to go. $69 to go. Breaking that high. Our targets, our measure moves like back at the all-time high. Interesting. There we are. 469, 480, 490. We are on the precipice of the spice. Where is everybody? It's 3 a.m. here and you're watching Bitcoin Breakout. That's what we're here for, baby. That's what we do. 69 and 420. If you could engage the stream a little bit, people need to know the spice is coming. Like, subscribe, just like all these awesome people did. Like Uncle Charlie, Terry Hall, Sethu Steezy. I like that name. I think we got like 200-ish new subscribers today. I think we can do better. I think we can get to 134,000. You'll notice this number rolling over while we live. That is a real-time count. So if you hit subscribe, just there we go. Boom. Boom, just like that. Keep them coming. Keep them rolling. Typically, we would have closed the stream by now. What? That triggered already? What? Wait. Triggered already. Ha. Spicy. All right. Close above 33 today. Look for 40. From 40, you might look for 33. Could see this. That'd be a better entry than marketing now. It's a dangerous market right now. 69,458. 69,420 accomplished, secured, locked in. Locked and loaded. Bullish engulfing the previous weekly. We did that earlier at 69K. Looking for that break of the high. This could be a confirmed 3-candle breakout pattern. Ooh, I wouldn't trust that. I wouldn't trade based on that. Not a good idea. So this month quick while it's gorgeous. Gorgeous hammer candle, now up 10% for October. We nailed the bottom of this month, literally. 59K, we nailed it. October 1st said 59K. Nailed it. 69K up $10,000, but really 17%. Setting our sights for the quarterly resistance we've waited many, many months for. 71, 280, break that, and we're going to all-time highs. That's my opinion. Right to all-time high. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200 unless you can. Bitcoin won't break out. Your live is a clickbait. Nathalie Williams, it literally just did. Literally. If you watched from the beginning, you would know that Bitcoin USD isn't even what we were talking about. We're talking about something else. That's okay. You just joined to say that. I validate you. You are validated. You are validated, Nathalie. Let's go, legends. That's right. Peter, how you doing? Waiting for the short around 70? Well, better than shorting any other day this month. You are already subscribed. You cannot subscribe any farther. True. Jason Casper rapping. Is he still live, dude? Oh my God. I don't know how he can keep a voice. The man streams for hours on end. And I've done it. Oh, he started streaming again. Got you. I got you. Tell you what, Bobby. My voice is harshed. Rune. Let's see, Rune. For you, little fox. All right. Just for you. Damn, ACX, dude. Whoever asked for that, you got a runner. Rune broke its high. Broke 572. Nice inverse head and shoulders. $667. $667 looks about right. Ooh. I think these monthlies though. It's not a bad setup. I mean, definitely not a bad setup. Weekly looks rather strong on Rune. Daily looks rather strong on Rune. See what happens at 6 to 669. Get through there, probably looking at the 8, maybe the $10 range. Is that one big trend line? Ugh. What does this look like? That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. You're right. Rune looks spicy. It's probably hard to even name a chart that ain't spicy right now. We are at a higher high, baby. We are at 69,380. As predicted during the live. 60% dominance hasn't happened yet. I don't know. That could take longer than I can hang out. Higher low question mark. We are at a higher high, right? So close. We've retested that high within margin of error. What about Uni? Link? We're gonna chill on all the charts. Been live like 2 hours, 15 minutes. My voice is starting to hurt. I really wanted to see 69.5 break during the live so that the whole stream would be full circle. 71.2 tonight. I like that call. That's what I'm calling. I like it. 71.2 and 60% dominance. That's what I'm looking for today. I thought we'd get it in the stream. Thought we'd get it in the stream. Go. God damn. My voice is fading. It's not today. What's up, Bullish Crypto? How you doing, bro? Here we go. I hope so. That's what I'm thinking. $69,480. Such good numbers. Made $6 on Shiba trading. Nice, Swervo. Nice. Well done. All right, I've seen you say it a lot, Crypto Richie. 69.5. 69.5. 69.505. 69.520. There we go. Break a high. Break of monthly high. Let's go. 2-3 days left in October. 69.6. It is getting spicy. I knew if I waited it would happen. It's getting spicy. 69.6. 69.650. We have now broken October's high, boys. The only thing that stands in our way to a new all-time high, 71.2K. That's it. Damn. Dominance? Question mark. Dominance? Dominance has moved up with price. That's a good signal. We've seen them moving in tandem. Now just 0.12 away from 60%. I thought we would hit 60 during the live, man. Yeesh. 70. Did we hit 70? 70 on Coinbase, maybe? We hit 70 on Coinbase. Let's go. Let's go. 70K. Let's go. What happened, Nathalie? Nathalie, it's not breaking out. I'm just kidding. I don't care. People come in here and troll every single stream, no matter what the title is. 70K on Coinbase. Binance not reflecting it. Wicking down. Is Coinbase down? Is it down? If it's down, it's going to keep pumping. If it's not down, probably going to see some wicking here. Coinbase. Coinbase 70K. Let's go to the penny. To the penny. You just thought it was nuts? Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. 69.6. Bitcoin pumping harder than my voice can continue. For you, I couldn't have missed that. I had to wait for that. Crypto Rich, for you, my friend. I saw you asking for it. See new subscribers coming in. Hell yeah, guys, keep tapping it. Bitcoin following along with our analysis from the start of the stream over 2 hours ago. Dominance reaching to 60%, now just 0.11% away. I thought this would happen on the live, but it has taken its damn time. Coinbase just hit 70K. I thought 71 too in the stream, but maybe that was too much to ask for. Depends how long I can keep this up. Binance only reporting in 69.7. Coinbase 70K on spot. I don't think it's over though. I don't think we're done here. I think we got more to do. We looked at ADA already. ADA looking like it's actually benefiting from this. Rune struggling. Bonk trade might be flying. I hear more subscribing. I sense it. I like 10 cents on KCB. I like 10. I like 10. Binance still putting in higher highs. Remember that wick was only on Coinbase. It was not on Binance. Binance seeming to catch up here, trading higher into these minute candles where Coinbase has not. That wick seemingly absorbed by the bulls. These candles are closing higher. We hit 70K already. Holy crap. Doge is flying, I bet. I bet. Oh yeah. Said it earlier in the stream. I'm kind of sad or jealous. Doge looking more bullish than Litecoin. I don't like that. I have plenty of Doge though. Still got plenty of Doge. 15.6. Yes, we're aiming for 18. Rip it and rhyme it, boys. Market is pumping. I wish I could have a more energetic voice for you right now, but it's been a long stream. Dominance now 0.1 to the dot away from our 60K in stream call. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. 60% dominance. Bitcoin make a rip. 71.2. It's all coming together. Dominance isn't at 60 yet. It's close. It's close. Not quite. At least according to 𝐓𝐫𝐞𝐞. This is a calculated thing. So depending on how you calculate it, will change. Yeah. It'll change like when it hits 60. If you exclude stables, I almost guarantee that it is at 60. 70K hit on Coinbase. Still marching up. What's the ticker? Going to the moon. Dominance excluding stable coins. It's not working. Is there not a ticker for this, I guess? MSTR probably hidden higher. Boom, 157. 157 on MicroStrategy to the 1618. Reject here, you're still fine. Keep moving. You're looking for 277. MicroStrategy ripping with the corn. Great signal. Great signal. Everything is lining up. Look at the bars behind your head. What bars? These bars. Them bars. Them bars? What bars? So spicy. I wish I had my voice still. I wish I just went live right now. Binance. Binance is going to trade to 70. 69,770. Come on, 250 bucks. Let's go. 69,840. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's pump time. It's pump time. 69,850. On Femex. Femex link in the video description below. Great exchange. 69,837. My long still juicing after a little bit of a defeat Friday on our live stream. What's up, Gainus 1979? How you doing, bro? Femex 69,877 tracking with Binance closer than Coinbase spot. That makes sense. It is a perp. Another wick high. Another wick high on Coinbase. Boys, there are buyers coming in on Coinbase. Buyers are coming the F in on Coinbase. Let's go. We saw a little wick to exactly 70. Sorry, I'm trying to open up some stuff to look at for us. Saw a wick to 70. It was sold off. However, candles kept closing higher. That's resistance cleared, man. Seller, that was definitely a stop sell at 70. Boom, triggered, absorbed. Bulls are pushing it higher. Funding slightly bullish funding. Nothing to write home about, but we do see funding under 0.01, so it is bullish funding. Take a look at our heat map. What's going on here? What do we got? Them licks coming in hot. Can't even look away. Put on more tunes. That way I don't have to talk as much. I'm gonna lose my voice. Son of a bee. I've been pump mix, and it's like 3-minute songs, dude. Not digging this one. Oh my. Well, we hit 70. That's pretty damn good. We've been live over 2.5 hours. Bitcoin is not done, in my opinion. I really wanted to hold out till 60% dominance, but at this point, if I keep talking, I might not even have my voice back by Wednesday. So we are going to do that. We're going to cut it, boys and girls. Join the Discord at discord.gg/TomCrown. We're going to be live again Wednesday at 1 p.m. East. If we break 71.2, we'll probably be live again, maybe in the middle of the night. Dominance literally moving to a higher high. As I say this, I feel like the second I end the stream, it's going to hit 60%. This has been an awesome stream, though, fam. Check out the links in the video description below. Sign up with any of our partners, and you will get access to our exclusive private trading group in the Discord. It's the only way in. It doesn't cost you anything. Sign up. There's more links if you don't want to use those in the Discord. You can use as well to get in. Make sure you've subscribed to the stream. It's been a spicy day. We've had a lot of TA workout, a lot of TA play. We're hitting that 60% here today. I still think we hit 71 too. Still think we're going for 71 too. Time will tell. Looks pretty damn good. Appreciate everyone for joining us. Let's get one more subscriber in. 133,800. Such a better number than 799. One more person. Just click that button. The more you click it, the more Bitcoin goes up. That's made up, but it's still a fact. We'll get it. We'll get it. I love you guys. You're in the you know the deal. I'm gonna go take a nap. I love you.